Hello again and welcome back to the Life Kawaii. Today I'm just sharing my finished project. So this is the last dress that I finished sewing. So it's a little wrinkled because I literally just traveled from Kentucky back to New York and I had to pull it out of a bag. So it needs a little bit of a pressing, but other than that, I am so happy with the dress. I think it looks awesome. And then just as a reminder, I did add a lining to the bottom of the skirt. It did not have a lining, but since I'm sewing with white velvet, and quite frankly, anytime I sew with something that is white, I prefer to line it. So it does have the added lining, and the only other thing that I changed other than that was tacking down the sides here. So these are supposed to be loose, but they were not laying, and it just looked so much better whenever I just did a little bit of a slip stitch on there to keep it in place. So other than that, the pattern is as is, with of course a little bit of fitting, as you guys saw in the previous videos. I think the fitting in the back looks really nice. So if any of you were thinking of sewing this pattern, I highly recommend it. I really enjoyed it. Now, as far as time that it takes to sew it and the amount of energy and effort you're going to have to put into it, I won't lie, this is a long project, okay? So usually if I want to do a fast dress or something like that, I'll pick something that's sleeveless or maybe has like a little cap sleeve. Anytime you have to fit a long sleeve on anything, that's going to take longer, especially if you want a really fitted sleeve, which is my personal preference. So you have the fitted sleeve, you also have the inner cap here, inside of here that makes this kind of puff out, so that's another sleeve that you have to install, and then you have this decorative sort of poof cap sleeve, so that's 3 sleeves, okay? So bodice, bodice lining, 3 sleeves, skirt, and then also skirt lining if you want to add that, like I did. And then in addition to that, you're going to have to hand stitch the lining and the skirt together. So just be prepared if you take on the project. It is not a fast weekend project, okay? I definitely spent at least 5 days on this project, and that's not with sewing for the entire day, but I would say for at least half the day. Other than that, I think it's great if you want to add a new garment to your wardrobe. This is a great pattern. Loved it, could not be happier with it. I think it fits to a T. I'm just really, really happy with it. I think this dress is awesome. I'm going to keep it for a long, long time. A lot of the things that I sew, I will wear them maybe a year, maybe 2 years if it's something I really like and then I get rid of it. I think this one is going to be a permanent in my closet piece. So I'm really happy with it. I hope that you guys give it a try. If you do, please let me see what you sewed. I'd love to see it. If you made changes, let me know. I always like talking about these things with other people who also enjoy sewing. So if you like sewing videos and shopping hauls and all kawaii things, please subscribe to the Life Kawaii. Hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next time with a new project. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.